Okay, let's get started folding this paper airplane. We will use a letter size paper to fold it. First, make a half fold. Then open it up and fold this corner to the center crease, and better leave a small gap here. Fold the other side. Take the top point, fold to this edge, like this. Open it up, and then take the corner again and fold it to the crease just made. After that, flip it over, and we can see two creases here. We will fold along this crease, take the triangle and fold it down along the crease, along this crease just made. And then we will fold it up. We just make sure the crease will match the edge. Okay, flip it over, and then take the corner and fold along the crease. Okay, we'll fold the other side. Take them as a whole. Slowly. Then fold along the center crease and make the two rings. Take this big triangle and fold this edge along this edge. Make them close together and keep them parallel. The other side. Okay, next we will find a point from the point about 2 or 3 centimeters. It doesn't matter. It's not very cute. Be sure to make the edge and the crease parallel. And then set the rings. Now we finished. This is a beautiful plane. Thank you. See you next time.